What's up, Bertini fam? So on today's episode of my build series, I'm going to be installing these LED billet front turn signals from HOGWORKZ. So we're going to go ahead and get these things weighed up and then get the factory ones weighed up. Well, not necessarily factory. I did put the custom dynamics LEDs in them, but we're going to get those weighed up to see how much weight we're saving by going to these ones from HOGWORKZ. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. This way you can stay up to date with all of my future content and you can get in on all of my weekly cash giveaways. Now, this should be an easy install, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, let's go ahead and weigh up the HOGWORKZ turn signals. See how much weight we're going to be saving here. Let's include the hardware. So we are at a total of 456 grams or 1 pound, roughly. I know it says in 1/8 ounce, but let's just say 1 pound is what it's at. Just to give you guys a quick close-up, this is where the LED lights up. It has the connector already built onto it, so this should be a super easy install, and it already comes with the mounting hardware, so nothing too difficult here in terms of installation. And I'll go ahead and put a link in the description box below where you can purchase these front LED fork turn signals. And for those of you guys who are wondering, they do come in chrome as well. If you have a chrome setup, then you can get these in chrome as well to match with your build. Now, before I remove the ones that you see on here, which are from Custom Dynamics, I'm just gonna quickly show you guys what they look like before I go ahead and install the new ones from HOGWORKZ. All right, now let's go ahead and get these off and get the new ones from HOGWORKZ on. Wow, I'm really happy with the way that this thing came out. It looks good. Let me see if I can get you guys a few different angles here. That thing came out clean. It looks so much sleeker now without those big old bulbs in the front. Here, let me turn on the turn signals for you guys so you can see what they look like. That is the right turn signal. They're super bright, by the way. And that is the left turn signal. Yeah, I mean the lighting is super bright. All right, well let's go ahead and get the factory ones / custom dynamics ones because I got the custom dynamics bulbs weighed up. Let's turn this on here. First one, second one, and let's drop all this hardware in here. Okay, so we are at 1.150 kilograms and 2 pounds 8 ounces. So it looks like we've shaved 1 pound and 8 ounces off just by switching out the front turn signal. So as you guys can see, I know it's like 1 pound here, 1 pound there, 1 pound here, 1 pound there, but they add up, right? And so if weight savings is the thing that you're looking to do, clearly we just saved 1 pound 8 ounces here just by switching to the HOGWORKZ front billet LED turn signals. So would I recommend them? Hell yeah, they're super bright and they also save you almost 2 pounds, which is pretty awesome. And just to get you guys some quick close-up shots so you guys can see how it looks when they're mounted. It looks really good, really happy with the fitment and finish on them. I think they came out looking really good. They're super sleek to the bike now. It's like the bike doesn't have turn signals while obviously having the safety features of turn signals, right? Like I said, it was going to be a quick video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you guys have, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about the HOGWORKZ front LED turn signals over the stock / custom dynamics turn signals. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about them. That's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you guys are putting great energy out there into the world and you guys are paying it forward. I'll check you guys out later. Bye now.